How to Clean a Car Engine Safely, a comprehensive guide. Is your engine bay looking more like a grease factory than a powerhouse? Don't worry, we've all been there. A clean engine not only looks great, but it can also help you spot potential problems early on. In this video, we'll walk you through a safe and effective method for cleaning your car's engine, step by step. Before you even think about grabbing that degreaser, proper preparation is crucial. This isn't just about making the job easier. It's about ensuring your safety and protecting your car's delicate components. Let's dive into the essential steps. Safety first, always. Working on your car can be rewarding, but it's important to take precautions. We're dealing with electricity and chemicals here, so let's minimize the risks. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts while you're working. It's a simple step that can save you from a nasty surprise. Next, wear safety glasses. Engine cleaning can involve spraying degreasers and dislodging grime, and you don't want any of that in your eyes. Protect your vision. Finally, wear gloves. Engine degreasers can be harsh on your skin, and you'll be handling dirty components. Gloves will keep your hands clean and protected. Choose your battlefield wisely. The environment you work in can make a big difference in the ease and safety of the job. Work in a well-ventilated area, preferably outdoors. Engine degreasers can have strong fumes, and you don't want to be breathing them in a confined space. Fresh air is your friend. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to engine cleaning. Rushing the process can lead to problems. Ensure the engine is cool to the touch. Cleaning a hot engine can cause burns and rapid evaporation of the degreaser, making it less effective. Let it cool down completely before you start. Having the right tools and supplies on hand will make the cleaning process much smoother and more efficient. No one wants to stop mid-cleaning to run to the store. You'll need engine degreaser. Choose a product specifically designed for automotive engines. There are many options available, so read reviews and choose one that suits your needs. Grab a spray bottle for application. This will allow you to apply the degreaser evenly and precisely. A dedicated spray bottle is much better than trying to pour it directly onto the engine. You'll also need a water source, like a garden hose. A gentle stream of water is ideal for rinsing away the degreaser and grime. Avoid using a high-pressure washer, as it can damage sensitive components. Gather brushes of various sizes, including a toothbrush. Different brushes will be useful for cleaning different areas of the engine. A toothbrush is perfect for getting into tight spaces. Finally, have plenty of rags for wiping. You'll need these to dry the engine and remove any remaining grime. Microfiber cloths are a good choice, as they are absorbent and won't scratch the paint. Now that you're prepared, it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty. This is where the real cleaning happens, so pay close attention to each step. Engines have many sensitive components that can be damaged by water or degreaser. Protecting them is essential. Cover the distributor with a plastic bag or cover. The distributor is a critical part of the ignition system, and getting it wet can cause problems. A simple plastic bag will keep it dry. Cover exposed electrical connections with a plastic bag or cover. Electrical connections are vulnerable to corrosion and damage from water. Protect them to ensure reliable performance. Applying the degreaser is the first step in breaking down the grime and grease that has accumulated on your engine. Generously spray engine degreaser onto the engine. Don't be shy. Make sure to cover all the surfaces you want to clean. Focus on areas with grease and grime buildup. These are the areas that need the most attention. Pay special attention to areas around the valve covers, intake manifold, and exhaust manifolds. The dwell time is the amount of time the degreaser needs to sit on the engine to work effectively. Follow the product's instructions for dwell time. This is crucial for allowing the degreaser to break down the grime. Don't rush this step. After the dwell time, it's time to get scrubbing. This is where you'll loosen the remaining dirt and grease. Use brushes to scrub away dirt and grease. Use the appropriate size brush for each area. A larger brush is good for flat surfaces, while a smaller brush is better for tight spaces. Use a toothbrush for the tight spaces. A toothbrush is perfect for cleaning around hoses, wires, and other small components. It allows you to get into those hard-to-reach areas. Be gentle to avoid damaging wires or hoses. Wires and hoses can be fragile, so avoid using excessive force. If you encounter stubborn grime, apply more degreaser and let it sit for a longer period. Rinsing is essential for removing the degreaser and loosened grime from the engine. Use a low-pressure water source for rinsing. A garden hose with a gentle spray nozzle is ideal. Avoid using a high-pressure washer, as it can damage sensitive components. Avoid spraying directly into sensitive components. Be careful not to spray water directly into the distributor, electrical connections, or air intake. Start rinsing from the top of the engine. This will allow the water to flow down and carry away the grime. Work your way down while rinsing. Make sure to rinse all the surfaces you cleaned with degreaser. Drying the engine is important to prevent corrosion and ensure that all the electrical components are dry. Use rags to wipe down the engine, removing excess water. Pay attention to areas where water might pool. These areas are more likely to corrode if left wet. Use compressed air to dry hard-to-reach areas. Optional. Compressed air can be helpful for drying areas that are difficult to reach with a rag. The cleaning is done, but there are a few more steps to take to ensure everything is working properly and safely. Getting the engine running again is the final step in the cleaning process. Reconnect the negative battery terminal once the engine is dry. Make sure the connection is secure. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. This will help to dry out any remaining moisture and ensure that everything is working properly. Listen for any unusual noises during engine operation. If you hear any unusual noises, investigate the cause before driving the car. A final inspection is crucial to ensure everything is in order. Check for any leaks after the engine has run. Look for leaks of oil, coolant, or other fluids. If you find any leaks, repair them immediately. Avoid using high-pressure washers to prevent damage. High-pressure washers can damage sensitive components and force water into areas where it shouldn't be. That's it. You've successfully cleaned your car's engine. A clean engine not only looks great, but it also makes it easier to spot potential problems early on. Congratulations on giving your engine a well-deserved spa day. A clean engine bay is a happy engine bay, and now you can enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Remember, regular cleaning can help prevent grime buildup and make future maintenance easier. Now, we want to hear from you. Did you find this guide helpful? What are your favorite engine cleaning tips? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful car care tips and tutorials. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. Also, check out the links in the description for recommended engine cleaning products and tools. Happy cleaning, and we'll see you in the next video.